In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to add a call to action in CrankWheel demos quick and easy. If you're using CrankWheel for your sales calls or demo presentations, you'll want to stick around to learn how to strategically use CTAs that drive results. So let's dive into the first thing you need to know. Adding a call to action in CrankWheel is simple, but can be a game changer when done correctly. CrankWheel's focus is on screen sharing for sales demos, and it's a great tool for presenting products live to potential customers, but without a strong CTA, your demo may not convert as well as it could. Next thing, CrankWheel allows you to add a CTA directly on the screen during your demo ***. You can customize the text of the CTA to encourage your viewer to take action, like scheduling a meeting, signing up for a free trial, or even calling for more information. But here's the catch, CrankWheel's built-in CTA features are pretty basic. They don't give you the flexibility or advanced options you might expect from other tools. That means if you're looking to personalize or customize CTAs more effectively, you might find this feature a little limited. The third thing you should know, ***, you can set up CTAs that link directly to your website or landing pages ***. This is particularly useful when you want the viewer to take the next step, like signing up or buying your product, right after seeing your demo. The issue here is that CrankWheel doesn't provide much guidance on how to integrate it with a comprehensive follow-up automation process. You'll have to manually track responses and actions, which can be a hassle, especially when you're juggling multiple leads. Next thing, ***, the interface for adding a CTA isn't the most intuitive ***. You have to go into the settings, tweak things, and then test it to see how it looks during a demo. It's not as streamlined as some other platforms, which might take up more of your time when you're trying to make your demo flow seamlessly. But here's the fourth thing, you can always embed your CTA in the actual presentation deck. This could be a simple text slide that appears at a key point during the demo, but again, it's not integrated directly into the CrankWheel interface, so it requires a bit of extra setup and coordination. And this might not feel as smooth or professional as you'd want it to. Now, I know what you're thinking. ***, what about better options for adding CTAs during demos? CrankWheel does its job, but there are alternatives that offer much more control over CTAs, integrations, and automated follow-ups, especially if your goal is to really drive conversions after your demo. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to share a competitor that outshines CrankWheel when it comes to these features. So, if you're ready to take your sales demos to the next level, there is a great alternative I recommend that has more flexibility, better integrations, and more advanced CTA options. And here's the bonus, ***, you can get an extended free trial with this competitor, giving you even more time to test it out and see the difference for yourself ***. By using our exclusive link, you'll get the best deal and a free trial with added benefits that CrankWheel just doesn't offer. Click the link in the description to get access to that, and trust me, you'll want to try this alternative software out. It'll change the way you approach demos and CTAs for good. Thanks for watching.